Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G50 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. Start by opening Play Store and downloading your new default app. In my case it will be Opera Mini Browser. I don't have to open it, just go into device settings and choose apps and notifications. Then tap on advanced, choose default apps over here and pick one of those sections. I want to change my browser apps, I have to click on browser app here and pick the best one for me. I want to set up Opera, so now when I click on it and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!